today what we're going to do is we're going to be talking to Leonard, who is a buddy of mine. I've known him for about a year and a half. Leonard came to me with this story that I just wanted to share with you guys. I thought it was amazing because what he's doing, and try not to like fall out of your seat and think this is unbelievable, but what Leonard's doing is he is literally going out there and posting memes on Facebook. Now, when we think of memes, we think of like, Bart Simpson doing a dance or something like that, which is part of it. He does get paid for stuff like that. We'll get into that in a minute. But it's also memes like, how to do gardening or best recipes or best thing I ever ate or different questions and fun things like that. In addition to memes, he's also doing reels, which I think is really cool. Now, the reason I wanted to bring this up today, because we did a class last year for Meme Profits. We taught people the meme setup system and everything like that. We had a couple people that took advantage of what we were teaching. One of them made over $700 on one meme alone and is averaging like $1,000 a month. Now, at the get-go, does everyone who posts memes online make money? Of course not. The average vast majority of people trying to make money online make nothing. So we need to take that into account. We need to take this with a grain of salt and understand exactly what's going on.